What if I told you some cars are so unreliable, buying one is like tossing your savings into a bonfire? Let's reveal the brands that are more trouble than they're worth, and why you should steer clear if you value your sanity and your wallet. Today, we're exposing the worst car brands that drain your money, test your patience, and leave you stranded. These aren't just bad cars, they're rolling regrets. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more reality checks and truth slaps. Let's break down exactly why each one is a waste of money. Nissan used to be the poster child for Japanese reliability, but after merging with Renault, it's been all downhill. Their infamous CVT transmissions are notorious for failing early. Imagine your car losing power or shuddering on the highway and then getting slapped with a $4,000 repair bill. Engines self-destruct, oil leaks are everywhere, and rust creeps in before you've even paid off the loan. And when you finally give up and try to sell, the resale value is so low you'll feel robbed twice. Land Rover sells luxury, but what you really get is a ticket to the mechanic. Air suspension collapses, electronics glitch out, and sunroofs leak, flooding your luxury cabin. The average Range Rover costs over $20,000 to maintain in just 10 years, more than some people spend on a whole car. Used models are a gamble unless you have a perfect service record, and even then you're just waiting for the next wallet-busting surprise. BMWs are a dream to drive, until they're not. Their advanced tech and tightly integrated electronics mean even a simple sensor failure can cost thousands. Water pumps, thermostats, and control arms fail more often than you'd expect. If you don't lease or have deep pockets, expect your ultimate driving machine to become the ultimate money pit. The thrill fades fast when every warning light is a potential bank breaker. Mercedes-Benz promises engineering excellence, but the reality is a maze of overcomplicated electronics. Older models are infamous for electrical gremlins, flickering dashboards, failing seat modules, and window regulators that quit on you. Repairs are frequent and expensive, and the quality just doesn't match the price tag. If you want a luxury badge that ages like milk, Mercedes is your brand. GM is a master at cutting corners. Cheap interiors, premature rust, and mechanical failures are all too common. The infamous 2014 ignition switch scandal is just the tip of the iceberg. Engines seize, recalls pile up, and trust evaporates. You might save on the sticker price, but you'll pay for it in repairs and frustration. GM's cost cutting is a cost you'll keep paying. Jeep markets adventure, but delivers headaches. Suspension faults, death wobble, and frequent breakdowns are the norm. You'll need expensive upgrades just to get the off-road capability they advertise. Even then, expect high maintenance bills, over $11,000 in the first 10 years for a Wrangler. For most, the adventure ends at the repair shop. Jaguars are beautiful, but that's where the positives end. Engine, brake, and electronics failures are common, and even routine maintenance is sky high. Modern Jaguars still suffer from complex engineering and reliability nightmares. If you want a car that spends more time in the shop than on the road, Jaguar's waiting for you. Chrysler is a masterclass in disappointment. Cheap materials, design flaws, and constant recalls, like the Pacifica Hybrid's fire hazards, are standard. Transmission and electronic issues persist, and even newer models can't shake the brand's bad reputation. Expect high repair costs and low satisfaction. Volkswagen may be the people's car, but the people aren't happy. Electrical problems, high maintenance costs, and labor-intensive repairs are routine. Some models, like the Tiguan, are notorious for engine and transmission issues. Preventive maintenance is expensive and non-negotiable. Skip it and you're in for even bigger bills. Volvo is famous for safety, but modern models are plagued by electrical and software failures. Infotainment screens go black. Emergency braking systems activate randomly, and recalls are frequent. Maintenance costs are high, and reliability is slipping. If you want peace of mind, look elsewhere. Mitsubishi is stuck in the past. Outdated interiors, lagging tech, and frequent electrical faults make these cars feel ancient. The brand's decline in sales says it all. Consumers just don't trust them anymore. If you want a car that feels like a flip phone in a smartphone world, Mitsubishi is for you. Fiat's Italian charm is a mirage. Frequent recalls, engine and suspension issues, and high repair costs are the reality. Some repairs, like engine replacements, can cost more than the car itself. Long-term ownership is a test of patience and finances, one that most owners regret taking. These brands might tempt you with low prices or flashy ads, but the real cost comes after you drive off the lot. Don't let a badge fool you. Choose wisely, or you'll pay the price for years to come. Join me next time as we unlock the world of cars one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.